We're really excited to be partnering with the Chicago Wolves. For years, we've worked with youth hockey in the Chicagoland area at the AA and AAA amateur levels, and now to be more fully integrated at the professional level shows our commitment to hockey. We see hockey as a sport that is really in need of a lot of care, from training, physical fitness, physical therapy. It's a sport that is physically demanding. We feel that this partnership completely rounds out our commitment to the sport of hockey and continuing to elevate the sport as we integrate it with our services.
Having IBJI in the same facility in Rosemont Ice Arena has been awesome for our organization. We know when a player gets hurt, he just walks across the hall, he gets the proper rehab to get back on the ice quicker, and having somebody this close is such a plus for our organization. We're very confident, especially from the coaching standpoint and management standpoint. We're very confident that when our players have injuries and they go to IBJI, we know they're coming out, they're going to get on the ice quicker with great care. Personnel is unbelievable. All the PTs, personality-wise and knowledge-wise, they get our guys back on the ice and in an enjoyable atmosphere.
So a typical day working with the Chicago Wolf looks like first the evaluation. So they will come in for their first appointment. I will do a full evaluation on them, assess their deficits, and plan their treatment to be as specific to hockey as possible. So we do not only the treatment here in our clinic, but I will also accompany the players in the rink on the ice and just observe their movement patterns, how they're doing, and what we can continue to work on in clinic that will carry over to what they need to achieve on the ice.
So what we value the most from our relationship with IBJI is really the expertise that we lean in and rely on them for. They're who we turn to when our guys need any type of service, surgeries for orthopedics, ailments, rehab, everything like that. They're our go-to. So it's been phenomenal, and we really rely on that and value that the most.
I like being part of the Chicago Wolves because it's just a first-class organization. Everything they do is done in the right way. The guiding principle is what's best for the player in terms of their health and safety. There's never any question about what I recommend or what our therapists recommend in terms of treatment, because they trust us to do the right thing and they want us to do the right thing. So it's been, from a medical standpoint, incredibly rewarding because the organization is so supportive of what's best from a medical standpoint.